because I am already part of the movement. I am here as a scout, and we are more than 57 million young people around the world, at least 171 countries, and we are already transforming education. So we are being innovative. We work in small groups, and we have contact with nature. We really have young people who guide themselves in their learnings. This is what we call non-formal education. We have a method, we have a goal, and we learn together as young people. So the young people are already driving this change. So what I need from you is that you invest and recognize us. If you recognize non-formal education, the solution is simple. We don't need to reinvent the wheel. We are already doing the job. So recognize non-formal education and invest on it.